On the top, you can see the rules for steps, and at the bottom, you can see the rules for sleep. It's fairly simple. We are simply saying that for every step, how much time reward you should get. So here you can see it says for every 1,000 steps, the reward is 5 minutes. I can simply drag and change the value of number of steps, and I can simply drag and change the value of the number of minutes reward. And you can simply see the example and take a decision that, okay, I want to keep it at 1,000 steps gets you, let's say, 10 minutes. And it'll show you for 10,000 steps you get 1 hour 40 minutes. So this is converting that reward into an hour and minute ratio, so you get a better idea of how much time the user will earn, in case it could be your child or it could be yourself or your spouse, how much time they will earn through steps. Coming to the goal, again, I would recommend you set an ambitious goal and set a substantial reward so that the user is motivated towards achieving that goal. Now, let's come to the sleep rules. So here the same fundamental is used, that your unit is minutes, and for every minute how much screen time reward you want to give. So in this case I have kept 120 minutes, that is 2 hours, gets me 5 minutes reward, which in turn multiplies into 8 hours gets me 20 minutes. So I can change this, and the example below will change to help you take that decision. So we also have the goal thing for sleep. So if you want to set the goal to, let's say, 9 hours of sleep, and you can set the reward for that much amount of sleep. Now it's important to note that even after achieving the goal, the user will keep earning the unit reward. So after 10,000 steps, for every step, the user is still entitled to the unit reward of 0.60 seconds for each step, which is about 1 minute for every 100 steps. And same as with sleep, that even after achieving the sleep goal, the user is entitled to 5 seconds of screen time for every minute of sleep. Now, some other important points I'd like you to note is to keep the goals and to keep the rules very achievable and realistic. Don't go too ambitious, because if the user cannot achieve those numbers, the user will start resisting the system, and you don't want to do that. And since the rules are very flexible, and since you can change them anytime you want, you might want to experiment a bit, motivate the user initially by letting them succeed, and then slowly making rules more and more difficult, and kind of motivate them towards achieving the goals and fulfilling their need of screen time.